Day.
Riv, do you have to be so loud?
Can you put the toys right there? Because we might want to play with some toys.
What do you think about that, Gussie? You think so? Say, put some water on me.
Put some water on there. Yay!
Did you get water on you?
Is this fun, Doggy?
Don't do any more on his head. Oh, it's Quincy's brother. Don't too crazy. Oh, goodness, it went up his nose. No.
That's what good at this? What's these balls?
No, Riv, don't do that.